Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by collecting essentials, your make. Com account, the API key or token, and the endpoint URL right now. Once done, identify the auth method the API uses, bearer token, basic auth, or API key header, because make needs that choice immediately. Next, open Make and create a new scenario. Drag an HTTP module as the first action. Configure method get /post, paste the endpoint, and switch to the headers /auth tab to input the credential type. Now you configure the request body and mapping. First, set query parameters and headers using make variables so responses are reproducible. This helps later when chaining modules. Then craft the JSON body, set content type, application/JSON, and include a sample payload for initial tests. Once you receive a response, use makes JSON parsing or create /update modules to extract fields. If the API returns arrays, add an iterator to loop each item. Make sure to add error handlers and status code checks to manage failures. Finish by running the scenario in debug mode and inspect raw requests and responses line by line. This reveals header mismatches and body errors. Once successful, save, set your trigger, schedule, webhook, and enable the scenario for production. If something fails, first verify credentials and endpoint correctness, then examine cores, rate limits, and required headers or content encoding. If responses are unexpected, log full JSON output and retry with altered payloads. Once resolved, add.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.